Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Today we have to find the solution of question number 3 taken from exercise number 6.4 from our 6th chapter, that is differential equation. Okay, here question number 3 is written as 1 plus 2 into e to the power x upon y plus twice of e to the power x upon y multiplied with 1 minus x upon y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, students, we know that this equation is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so first of all we have to find dy by dx. Okay, after that we will put y is equal to vx. Y is equal to Vx, and then we get dy by dx in the form of dv by dx. Okay, dy by dx in the form of dv by dx. Okay, let us proceed to solve question number 3. Here we have 2 into e to the power x upon y multiplied by 1 minus x upon y dy by dx is equal to, this term is positive becomes negative, means minus 1 plus 2 into e to the power x upon y. Okay, clear? Next, find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 plus twice of e to the power x upon y whole divided by this term, that is twice of e to the power x upon y into 1 minus x upon y. Clear? Okay. Next, since this one is our homogeneous differential equation, so let us substitute y is equal to v into x. Okay, taking derivative of both the sides of this substitution, that is y is equal to vx with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to v into derivative of x is 1 plus x into derivative of v with respect to x, that is dv by dx. So we have dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, means when we replace y in the form of vx, we get dy by dx in the form of dv by dx as v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, clear? Let us change the given differential equation, which is dy by dx is equal to minus 1 plus 2 into e to the power x upon y. Okay, let us convert this dy by dx and let us write this as dy by dx is equal to v plus and we get to v plus x dv by dx is equal to, dy by dx changes in the form of dv by dx as minus 1 plus 2 into e to the power x upon y, that is 1 upon v whole dividing by 2 into e to the power 1 upon v by x upon y. Since x upon y, y is vx, x and x get cancelled, we have 1 upon v into 1 minus x upon y, that is 1 upon v. Okay, then x dv by dx is equal to, then x dv by dx is equal to minus 1 plus 2 into e to the power 1 by v upon twice of e to the power 1 by v 1 minus 1 by v minus v. Okay, plus v goes to right hand side, becomes negative, that is v upon 1. v upon 1. Okay, clear? So if you convert here dy by dx is equal to, यहाँ पे dy by dx है, if यहाँ देखो if we put y is equal to vx in this equation we get e to the power 1 upon v. अगर हम y is equal to vx सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं then we have e to the power 1 upon v. अब if we invert this fraction we have dx upon dy is equal to twice of e to the power x upon y into 1 minus x upon y dividing by minus 1 plus 2 into e to the power x upon y. And if we substitute x is equal to vy, we get the easier form. इससे थोड़ा सा हमें सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म मिलेगा. दैट इज जैसे आप यहाँ पे e टू द पावर 1 अपॉन v मिल रहा है तो उस केस में क्या मिलेगा, e टू द पावर v, e टू द पावर 1 अपॉन v है. अगर आप इसको इन्वर्ट करते हो तो वी हैव एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म ऑफ e टू द पावर v. आया समझ में? तो हमें क्या करना है, हमें इसको यहाँ पे चेंज कर देना है, इसको इन्वर्ट कर देना है और x इज इक्वल टू वी वाई सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. उससे फ़ायदा क्या है कि हमें जो एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म मिल रहा है थोड़ा सा इजी मिलेगा. मतलब e टू द पावर 1 बाई वी के प्लेस पे e टू द पावर v मिलेगा तो हम इजीली उसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, इजीली उसको समझ सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो एक काम करना है, इसको इन्वर्ट कर दीजिए. आफ्टर इन्वर्टिंग वी हैव dx upon dy is equal to, okay, that is minus a negative, minus 2 into e to the power x upon y times 1 minus x upon y. 1 minus x upon y dividing by 1 plus 2 e to the power x upon y. 1 प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ e टू द पावर x अपॉन y. उसको चेंज करेंगे तो हमें एक सिंप्लीफाइड, एक इजियर एक्सप्रेशन मिलेगा. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सब्स्टिट्यूट x इज इक्वल टू वी वाई. x इज इक्वल टू वी वाई. यहाँ हम क्या अज्यूम किए थे, y इज इक्वल टू वी एक्स सब्स्टिट्यूट किए थे. बट उस केस में हमें थोड़ा सा टिपिकल तो नहीं है बट हमें थोड़ा सा इजी फॉर्म चाहिए. तो आप इसको इन्वर्ट करेंगे तो इजी रहेगा. तो टेकिंग डेरिवेटिव ऑफ बोथ द साइड्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y, सो वी हैव dx अपॉन dy इज इक्वल टू v इंटू 1 प्लस y इंटू dv by dy. Okay, so we have dx upon dy is equal to v plus y dv by dy. Okay, कहने का मतलब है जब हम x को vy में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं then our derivative that is dx upon dy converted in the form of dv by dy. So let us substitute this changing, that is dx upon dy is equal to v plus y dv by dy is equal to minus twice of e to the power x is equal to vy, so vy upon y that is v. Since by x is equal to vy तो x upon y, x means v into y upon y, we have v, so e to the power v into 1 minus x upon y that is v. ओके, आया समझ में? तो हमें एक कन्वर्जन न करके हमें एक कन्वर्जन करना है. ओके, तो वी हैव 2 into e to the power x upon y that is v, तो मैंने e to the power v लिखा. 1 minus x upon y is v upon 1 plus 2 into Okay, so 1 plus 2 into e to the power v, 1 plus 2 into e to the power x upon y is v. क्लियर हो गया? अब आपको क्या करना है, y dv by dy फाइंड आउट कीजिए, दैट इज माइनस 2 इंटू ई टू द पावर v इंटू 1 माइनस v अपॉन 1 प्लस 2 इंटू ई टू द पावर v minus v, plus v goes to right hand side becomes negative. Okay, minus v. So upon v upon 1, that is on cross multiplication, that is using cross multiplication, we get y into dv by dx, y into dv by dy is equal to 1 into v upon 1 into something मतलब minus 2 e to the power v, 1 minus v minus v into 1 v minus into plus minus 2 v e to the power v minus into plus minus v into 1 v minus into plus minus 2 v e to the power v whole dividing by 1 plus 2 e to the power v. Okay, clear? Let us simplify it as place का problem. So on simplification, that is minus 2 into e to the power v into 1 minus 2 e to the power v minus into minus plus 2 e to the power v into v minus v minus 2v e to the power v whole dividing by 1 plus 2 e to the power v. So 2v into e to the power v minus 2v into e to the power v get cancelled. Okay, and left hand side we have y dv by dy. Okay, so let us proceed as y into dv by dy is equal to, y into dv by dy is equal to. Okay, यहाँ तक समझ में आया? Clear? Any problem? So y dv by dy is equal to, we have minus 2 into e to the power v minus v minus v minus 2 into e to the power v minus v upon 1 plus 2 e to the power v. Okay, 1 plus 2 e to the power v. So we have y, since the right hand side terms is function of v. Okay, these are the functions of v. So dv should be present with the functions of v, that is variable separable form. So we have y upon dy is equal to minus 2 into e to the power v plus v upon 1 plus 2 e to the power v into 1 upon dv. dv goes to right hand side, becomes reciprocal, that is 1 upon dv. Okay, on inverting this equal fraction, we get dy upon y is equal to minus 1 plus 2 e to the power v dv upon 2 e to the power v plus 1. Okay, यहाँ पे dy कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट था? इन डिनोमिनेटर. So we have to invert these two fractions. Okay, we get dy upon y is equal to minus 1 plus 2 e to the power v is present in numerator, and 2 e to the power v upon v, 2 e to the power v upon v is in denominator. And on taking integration of both the sides, we get 1 plus 2 e to the power v upon 2 e to the power v plus v dv. Okay, and we know that the derivative of v with respect to v is 1, and The derivative of 2 e to the power v with respect to v is 2 e to the power v. Means this numerator, clear, समझ में आया? Derivative of 2 e to the power v is 2 e to the power v, and derivative of v is 1 with respect to v. So the numerator is the derivative of denominator. So integration of this fraction is log of mod of denominator, that is 2 e to the power v plus c. 1 upon y, integral of 1 upon y with respect to y is log of mod of y. So on taking this fraction, this function to left hand side becomes positive, negative becomes positive. Log of 2 e to the power v plus v is equal to c, and log of m plus log of n, log of m plus log of n, log of m into n, y into 2 into e to the power v is equal to, this is equal to log of m into n. Log of m into log of n is equal to c. So from the definition of logarithm, that is, if log of x to the base e is equal to a, then x is equal to e to the power a. That is from definition of logarithm. So ये समझो, log of x to the base c is equal to a, then x is equal to means y into 2 e to the power v plus v is equal to e to the power c. Base is e to the power c, that is c. Since c क्या है, c is our integral constant, so e to the power c भी क्या होगा, constant होगा. So y into 2 e to the power v, v means x upon y, v means v को क्या assume किया था, v is equal to x upon y, so v is x upon y plus x upon y is equal to c. So this one is your answer. Okay, y into e to the power x upon y plus x upon y is equal to c. Okay, students, any problem? Please make a note. Okay, so there is a little change to twice of, ठीक है. So y is equal to, sorry, y multiplied by 2 into e to the power v, v means x upon y plus x upon y is equal to c. Okay, अगर आपको आंसर मैच करना है तो आपको y को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. मैंने अभी आंसर देखा, टेक्स्ट बुक का आंसर. तो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ y वी गेट 2y e to the power x upon y plus y into x upon y, y and y get cancelled, we have x is equal to c. तो टेक्स्ट बुक का आंसर आपको ऐसा है. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू मैच द आंसर विदाउट टेक्स्ट बुक, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाई y. इसको थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ेगा. तो 2y e to the power x upon y plus y and y get cancelled with x plus x is equal to c. ठीक है, तो यहाँ तक ये रहा आपका आंसर. प्लीज़ कॉपी कीजिए.